This is a vector graphic from Microsoft Picture It, a program discontinued in 2006. Word 2010 was the last version that could open these. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's discuss workarounds. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest MX cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. When indexing, the system places MX into the graphic design file group for classification. The information is containerized using Microsoft Image Exchange file. The MIX file type is a generic abbreviation for a mixer project or a photo mix image file. It stores project data for audio mixing software or layered image files. The file creator is application specific, e.g. audio editors, Microsoft PhotoDraw. The design is a proprietary format optimized for storing mixing parameters or layered image data. The source application for MIX is frequently listed as Microsoft Picture It from Microsoft Corporation. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows provides a read-only look, while complete editing relies on design software. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your MIX file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft. Picture It. First. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. When a MIX file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, use original application. Open the file using the original software that created the mix, e.g. Microsoft Picture It, or an audio-digital audio workstation. Duh. Next, check dependencies. If an audio session, back up the session, then check all tracks for errors, ensuring all referenced audio files are present and not corrupt. Finally, start mixing, chart save. Start the mixing process, e.g. set levels, EQ, compression, or save as to save the session with a new name. When troubleshooting ends with 0 success, the file now clearly requires software engineered for reliable results. The most powerful tool is the best choice to try for resistant MX files. This is the moment to stop struggling with standard software limitations on your MX file. Your professional solution is FileMagic, a universal viewer that ignores standard restrictions. You can find it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like. Look out for the next advanced guide.